Hey everyone, what's up? Just thought I'd give you all a quick look at what we've been up to. I've had a couple of days in the shed just mucking around, putting things where I want them and putting a few other bits and pieces in, plus the normal work that we have to do during the week until we're in here full time. So let's have a look. So the cars are all in. We did move the pan brake over to here. We're going to put the guillotine here so we can basically cut and bend there. These machines have stayed where they are for now. I think they're in a pretty good spot. I've done the welding station at the back here. So got the linisher, little bench grinder and polisher, the welders down there. Got a welding screen just in case the kids are ever in here or if I want to shield something away from it. Then I've only got a little table at the moment. Got the little bits and pieces, the clamps and stuff in there for the table. I'm going to get a bigger one eventually. I'll probably just get one that's like kind of twice the size. Just gives me a bit more space for doing the bumpers and stuff that I will be cutting. Got my little hammer and dolly table. I need to polish all those up because they just sat for so long without being used, so I need to touch them up a bit. Then I've got my big toolbox, the DeWalt tools on top at the moment, but I'm going to put a board up here just below the sign. We'll put a board there. The 3D printer I've got happening at the moment. We're going to put, I've got some the little tabs that go on the wall, just the mounts that I'm printing out for them. I've already done the battery ones, I just got to do the ones for the tools now. And then they'll all be on the wall there. Got like the normal stuff, you know, screwdrivers, spanners, sockets and stuff. I've got a full socket set there, but it's in the case. Specialty stuff, like all my verniers, punches, everything like that. So I got my Clecos, files, punches, things like that in this one. And that's going to be just my drawer for just my templates and things in there. And then all my air tools in the bottom one. I've got power tools and stuff under there. I don't know what I'm going to do with this DeWalt stacker yet. And then my air compressor. My white walls, I've got two sets of those. I've got, these ones are for the back, the small ones. Having the small ones on the back lets me lay the frame out completely. And then we have a pair inside there that are going on the front, a bit taller. Yeah, and then we've got some shelving up, so this will just be storage shelves at the moment until the mezzanine is done up there, and then a whole heap of stuff's going to go up on the mezzanine. And then over here we've done the printing setup all over here, so we've got the printer, the little tiny sticker maker, a couple of printers over here, the beautiful handmade office chair, and then so this is going to be our little station just to do all the working out of everything. But then this is the partner's setup. We have in here the t-shirt printing setup, the screen printing. We've got a heater box, press, little vacuum light box. And yeah, so we'll be doing up some t-shirts very soon, and I'll have them up for sale for anyone that wants to buy them. Other than that, that's about it. We are just getting there, bit by bit. Let me know what you think. Subscribe, hit the like button, this one, and we will see you next time.